How to make a balloon Z. All right. This is quite interesting because when I was making this, I discovered something, and I'll explain it to you. First, you blow up your balloon, and you leave some at the end, and then you squeeze it and stretch it to give it flexibility. You figure where you want the top bar to go. Now we're going to make 2 pinch twists. If I only made 1 pinch twist, it would go like that. But we want it to go more like that, right? Well, we're not going to achieve that, but we can maybe achieve that. And how you do that is you do a second pinch twist, and then 2 pinch twists together act as positioners. You adjust them down until you get the angle that you're looking for. See, that's a lot better, isn't it? Like that. And if you want to. Okay, then we come down here to the bottom, and we're going to do the same thing. 2 pinch twists. Let me let some air out of that. Make it more flexible. 1 and 2. And so then the bottom part of the Z, you shove it up into there. Oh, the 1 pinch twist came apart. I'm having to put it back together. Okay, there we go. And then again, it's just positioning. I'm going to pull these down. Yeah, that's better. And pop this part off. Tie that. And you can also curve this up if you want to kind of give it more that look that it's going this direction. And that is your Z. Now the thing that I discovered when I was making this is I turned it like this and I went, oh, that's an N. And with the other N that I made, you had to have strings to hold it into place. But you can make your N this way, and you don't really have to have a string. You can just have it like that, and that will pass as an N. And there's your Z. Thank you very much.